been using the Natureal Antimicrobial Tofu litter for about 2 weeks and a bit now, and I just want to show you the state of my litter box. Usually at this point I will have to deep clean my litter box because everything just sticks to the bottom of the box. But you know, this is the state of the litter box after 2 weeks. Hardly any sticking. Okay, but compared to the other litters that I use, this is pretty impressive, and it doesn't even smell. The only difference I did was just top it up with more litter when it was running low. But yeah, I'm honestly very impressed. I'm not even paid to say this. This is just like an honest review, and yeah, I love it, and you should try it too.